All right, good afternoon. How are we doing? All right, just want to look at the Eurjpy trade as to what we're looking for in this week that is starting from tomorrow, right? Okay, we can actually see that in this market now, this market has continued what in an uptrend. We can see the fashion higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So now we have a fashion which is an uptrend that is a bullish market, right? So this is the last low that created the last what? The last high. We can see it was a low that created this what? This last high. So it has not been taken out. So definitely we are still very much what? In an uptrend on the monthly time frame. So let's go to the weekly time frame to see what is happening on the weekly time frame. Alright, so this is a validation that what we are still very much what in an uptrend from here. So look at the last low that we marked on the monthly time frame. We can see all right, so market the price action has not really broken the low to the downside. So here now, if this market had wanting to continue to the downside, definitely it should have done what it should have actually what broken what this particular support from here. It shouldn't have come back to break what this particular area. So you can see invalidation of an uh, a downtrend here has occurred here. So definitely the market still pick up was an uptrend strength. And there's a candlestick pattern here that my students actually are familiar with. This 1, 2, 3 candlesticks. All right, so let's go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame too, we actually have the same fashion of trend. We can see here that the market continue what higher highs. Okay, then what are we expecting? A retracement, then what? A possible push again to the upside. So that's what we're expecting on the daily time frame. Okay, so let's go to the let's also mark the last low here that created the last high. So we can see that the market has not yet broken this particular line. So definitely we are still very much in an uptrend. So on the daily time frame, we're still very much looking for buy opportunities. That's if you're taking a swing trade. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame and see what is happening on the 4 hour time frame. So look at the 4 hour time frame now. We've already marked this area. Okay, that is, we want the price action to come back to what? A definite support, because what are we looking for? We're always taking buys on a valid support, right? We always look for opportunities to take buy on a valid support. So now the market has given us what? A reversal pattern that will bring us back to this particular support, so we can start looking for opportunities for what? For buy. So now, how do we take opportunity of this sell trade that will come back to this particular support? That's what we'll be looking at now, right? We'll be looking for opportunities, also take opportunities that we can sell to this level, and at the same time when it comes to this level we can actually what? Buy along too. So let's kill a bird let's kill two birds with one stone, right? So that is it. So we're looking for opportunities here to this downside, then definitely we move higher. So price should do what? Price should come what? Should come back to this zone and come back to the downside. But this is the origin that caused a break of structure on the 4 hour time frame. Let's mark it out. All right, now definitely at the point we used to have what we call lower low, lower low, then lower high, then what? A lower low. Okay. And again now, so support can actually turn what? Resistance on this zone. Support can turn what? Resistance on this zone. We can possibly have a support turning resistance on this zone. So this is the area we'll first be looking at on the 4 hour time frame to look for what? A particular sell trade. But let's go to 1 hour to check further confirmation for the retail traders who might not have too much funds to take the sell on the higher time frame. Okay, so now we have this area marked out, which is a fair value gap. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, I have a fair value gap here, which I'll be watching closely to take myself from. If I'm to take sell on the 1 hour time frame, this is where I'll be looking for opportunities to take myself back to the downside. So if I'm not taking my opportunities from here, then I'll be taking my opportunities on the 15-minute time frame. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame to see. Sorry about that. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame to see. So here we are on the 15-minute time frame now. So this is the only zone now. I'll be looking for what? Opportunities what? To take a sell. My liquidity lies here. Okay. Because I know price is going to take out this liquidity zone. This is what we call liquidity. liquidity. Okay, so I know price is going to take out this particular liquidity zone. Okay, price is going to fall back here. So I'm looking for what price action to do what to actually trace back here, trade back to the upside before I will not take what a possible sell to the downside. So it is from this particular place I'll be looking for what sell opportunity back to the downside. This zone remains a valid zone for me to take a sell back to the downside. So it is on this place we'll be making our Benjamins in this week. Alright guys, that will be all on Eurjpy. Keep us posted again.